Man, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Hefe, man. I'm out here. I had to bring my car to the doctor. Redeye, looking a little sick. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, I had to bring my car up here to come get a little checkup. You feel me? Looking beautiful. I gotta come back in about 3 hours. You dig what I'm talking about? Yeah, but I'll be back up here to get it. Hey, I don't wanna see you doing no donuts in the car, man.
Nah, I know, man, I promise.
For sure. All right, I'll be back shortly, man.
Sure.
Appreciate you, brother. Yeah, they always be looking out for me, man. They get back to me. I get special treatment up here. You feel me? But yeah, I'll be right back. I'll let y'all know when I'm coming to pick it up. All right. I'm back to pick my baby up. Let's get it. Make sure you're up. The eyes look good for sure. All I gotta see is how it caught. It's good. Man, little scared pack. Pressure. I ain't gotta love my car. I ain't gonna even much lie. My bad, child. I ain't gonna even lie. I forgot my camera on board now. But it's all good. Let's check him out, though. Let's check it out. Like that, huh? I don't know, man. I thought everything was good. I'm guessing it's having like a little misfire. Y'all, Mopar, YouTube, y'all pray for my vehicle, man. I wasn't even much expecting this. I ain't gonna even lie to you. I'm gonna be gone from my baby for a little while, but it's all good. It's in good hands. Seems like it ain't nothing but charger problems up in here. Man, bro. It's all good though. We're gonna get it taken care of. My boy here professional right there though. Charger. I don't know, we're gonna get it fixed though. It's all good on me. I'm talking about I thought I was straight. I thought I'm good. But it's all good though. It ain't nothing but a little bit of straightening. Minor issues. New part problems. Tell him hit it again, let him hit that wine. I bring it straight up here and skip everybody. My boy Diego be looking out for me, man. But yeah, I'm gonna talk with them real quick. Y'all already know the drill. I'll be right back. My bad, man. I got the boss man over here checking my vehicle out too, man. My bad. Look, this what happen when you got friends that work at the dealership. then you abuse. You get to abuse them, but it's all good, man. My bad. I appreciate you though, bro. I appreciate you, man. Y'all don't be like me, man. Y'all don't be like me. I got friends everywhere. It's all good. It's all good. Hopefully it's a quick fix. Must have been speeding too much. Y'all let y'all cars get over 500 miles for y'all trying the thing, alright? Alright, he finna go get something else. Man, what's good? Y'all know what it is, man. Y'all see I'm still up in here, man. I don't like leaving my car nowhere because I be wanting to take my car home, man. If you got a red eye, man, y'all already know what time it is. Y'all know, like, it seemed like a day seemed like a whole week. Know what I'm saying? A week seemed like a month. I don't want to leave. Know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna stay up here. You feel me? I'm gonna stay up here and get on my boy nerves. You feel me? He over here. Oh crap! Hold on. I gotta turn this camera around. You about to put me a new intake on there?
You gotta do what you gotta do.
My boy, yeah, he getting down to business, man. Yeah, buddy. That pressure though. Pressure. They got the Jeeps. I ain't gonna lie, I really want one of them for every day. I ain't gonna even lie to y'all. I had a Jeep before, but I kind of want one of them. Or either I'm thinking like a ZL1 or something. For real. They got a Scat over there. It's like the one with the little bumblebee. Not even a bumblebee, it's like the one with the little helmet. I think that's like a special edition or something. I'll walk down there in a second. But yeah, they got it lifted up. Then they got this going on. I don't know what he got. That boy got disassembled. They disassembling vehicles. They got buku Scats and RTs up in here though. On the code. It's pressure. I don't know if y'all ain't never been to like a Dodge dealership and y'all be wanting to know like what be going on. This will be going on. They actually be taking their time and fixing it. And they be having a lot of cars. They be having buku cars, as y'all can see. So y'all getting like first hand, like, you know what I'm saying? Like what happens when you drop your vehicle out? What happened? This is what happened. This is how they run their diagnostics. This is how they do everything, you feel me? A little bit of something. I had a little work done. I ain't gonna even sit up here and lie to y'all. But yeah, this, y'all getting first hand, so y'all take notes. If y'all going to a dealership, man, and y'all getting y'all car work done, you feel me? And you ain't seeing it, then you ain't pushing P. I ain't gonna lie to you. On that tight. They put that Jimmy cap on that tight. They ain't playing it all. I think he got it though. Oh. He getting it. They like, what's going on? I'm special. There you go. So boom. So look, if I wanted to do my own intake, I'd just do that right there.
Yeah, take this off. Switch over your hoses. Switch over your AirPods.
For sure. So yeah. They got buku, like I said, they got buku Jeeps up in here, you feel me? And this what it look like. That's where the wine come from. You dig what I'm saying? That's where the wine come from. Let me get out my boy way. It'd be a lot of work going on. That's why they be like, man, it's gonna take like 4 days. I'm like, man, come on, man. I'm your boy, work with me, man. Let's get right. Right before y'all eyes, y'all getting first-hand experience. I ain't gonna say experience, but I mean some people y'all can learn from this though. But y'all getting like, y'all can see it firsthand. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Man, he back. It's pressure though. That boy went to work quick, I'm talking about. Quick. Bro went to work quick on here, man. I'm gonna rewatch this video. I'm gonna try to install my own intake. I ain't gonna even lie to y'all. No cap. You say this a what?
Another Redeye engine.
This another Redeye engine. Y'all trying to sell it?
Sold.
It's sold.
Yes, sir.
Oh man, I'm too late. Man, I could have dropped that in a little Polaris or something. Nah, I'm just kidding. But yeah, y'all, that's a Redeye engine, man. For y'all that don't know. Yeah, buddy. Man. I'm back to my Redeye. Man, so what you think would be the best, like, the best intake to get done on there?
I mean, all the ones they sell right now are pretty decent. Some do more than others as far as if you want the wine. If you want the breather, it's personal preference at that point. But
Okay.
I'll let you know which ones are probably best for you.
For sure. Yeah. All right, y'all, man. So I'm gonna end it right here. My boy, he checked the vehicle out. He gotta check some more stuff out. So, you know, we gotta save some fun for another day. All right, y'all pray for me. Pray for the Redeye, man. Dig what I'm talking about? Yeah. All right, y'all. Appreciate y'all for watching. Alright, man, this is a sad day for me, man. I gotta leave my baby. It's all good though. Yeah, we gonna get straight, man. It ain't nothing but a little bit of straightening, like I said, man. We gonna be back.